Imagine this. One moment sunshine, the next nothing. The sun, which has burned for 4.6 billion years, simply vanishes. No explosion, no warning, just gone. How long would you survive? How long would Earth survive? The answers will completely change how you see that giant star in your sky. Part 1. We wouldn't know for 8 minutes. Here's the first shocking fact. If the sun disappeared right now, you wouldn't know for exactly 8 minutes and 20 seconds. That's how long sunlight takes to travel from the sun to Earth. For over 8 minutes you would be standing in sunshine that no longer exists. Light from a dead star. And then, mid-sentence, mid-breath, mid-step, total darkness. Complete, permanent. The last sunset humanity would ever see already happened 8 minutes ago. Part 2. Earth would fly off into the sun doesn't just give us light. Its massive gravitational pull keeps every planet in our solar system locked in orbit. Without it, that gravitational leash snaps instantly. Earth would immediately fly off into deep space in a straight line at 30 kilometers per second. No more orbit. No more seasons. No more years. Just a frozen rock hurtling through the darkness of space at unimaginable speed, with 8 billion people clinging to its surface. Part 3. Temperature would drop catastrophically. Within 1 week, surface temperatures would drop to -17 degrees Celsius. Within 1 year, -73 degrees. Within a few years, -200 degrees. Every ocean would freeze solid. Every river, every lake. The atmosphere itself would eventually freeze and collapse onto the surface like snow. But here's the strange part: deep underground, Earth's core would still burn at 5,000 degrees. And around volcanic vents on the ocean floor, tiny pockets of warmth might survive. Life, as always, would find a way. Part 4. Humanity's last chance. But what about us? Could humanity survive? Scientists say theoretically yes, but only underground. Deep mines and bunkers, heated by geothermal energy from Earth's core, could keep small groups of people alive for thousands of years. Nuclear reactors could power artificial lighting to grow food. Humans would become a completely underground species, never seeing sunlight again, living in artificial caves, farming under LED lights, surviving on geothermal heat. A shadow of civilization hidden beneath a frozen, dead world. Part 5. Other life would survive, and fascinatingly, we wouldn't be alone. Deep-sea creatures that live around hydrothermal vents on the ocean floor, creatures that have never needed sunlight, would survive almost completely unaffected. Tardigrades, the nearly indestructible microscopic animals, would survive frozen in the ice for millions of years waiting. Bacteria living miles underground would continue thriving. Life on Earth would not end. It would simply go underground and wait in the darkness for something that would never come. Part 6. Where would Earth go? And as for Earth itself, hurtling through space at 30 kilometers per second, where would it end up? Scientists calculate that in about 43,000 years, Earth would pass close to the star Proxima Centauri, our nearest stellar neighbor. There's an extremely small chance Earth could be captured by its gravity, entering a new orbit around a new star, a new dawn, a new beginning. Billions of years later, perhaps new life, perhaps even a new civilization, standing on a frozen world, looking up at a star that isn't quite the sun, wondering how they got there. The sun is not just a star. It is the reason you exist, the reason life exists, the reason Earth is warm, bright, and alive. We take it for granted every single day, this ancient, burning giant that has protected us for billions of years. And if it disappeared tonight, we would have exactly 8 minutes of borrowed light left. 8 minutes to look up and say goodbye.
Like what you see? Subscribe now for more awesome content.